Hey girl, hey, it's Brittany Chanel back with another unboxing. Sorry, I have to cover my address. So if you didn't know, Sephora is having their spring savings.
Some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
Spring savings event. It ends tomorrow, so I was trying to get this posted earlier, but y'all, I be busy. Y'all know I got 3 kids. Y'all know I got a job. I be busy. So these are some things that I felt like were worth purchasing from Sephora. You get, if you're a rogue, you get 20% off, and I am a rogue. I think you get like, I don't have the answer to it, but I got to start like early because I'm a rogue member, and I got more % off. I think I got 25% off. It's based on like either you're just a member, the middle member, or the rogue member, the percentage that you get off. But nonetheless, let's open this bad boy up and see what I got. So there were some things at Sephora that I have been wanting to buy, but my coins ain't set up like that. I got real bills. I got real responsibilities that I just can't be buying stuff. So I always try to get all the things that I have saved in like my cart whenever they have sales. And so that's what I did. Okay. Boom. Boom. Here's my little order package thing. Boom. I don't know why y'all would need this. It also has my address on it, so I'm not going to show it. But yeah. So first up, I got some samples. I did pitch this little Rare Beauty samples because I'm considering doing a video on Rare Beauty. I'm considering purchasing all of the items just to do. So I thought having some cute little samples would be cute. And I also picked, oh, I ain't picked this. They also sent me some water-drenched hyaluronic acid glow serum. Oh, yes, I did. It's for your face. I don't order hair stuff from Sephora because I got black people here, but that's neither here nor there. Next up, I did order the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Some of the little, the matte lipsticks. This one is the Mademoiselle's. This one is in the shade Midnight Wasabi. Oh, that's cute. Y'all know green is my favorite color, so I'm always here for a little green moment. I have a ton of these, but I just always order them. I love them. They're like my favorite little lippies. That's the shade that I ordered. I also ordered some stuff from Ulta that I'm going to be unboxing soon. I ordered like a gray lip liner to match a different shade. And I also got the shade One of the Boys. If you guys see that there. And this is like a purple shade. I just love Fenty's packaging. That's really why I buy them. I love how sleek and how reflective the packaging is on this. But this is like a purple like duochrome shade. So these are like normally like $18 each for these small ass lipsticks, and your girl is not. She is not. She cannot. So I did not. Also, I got the Sephora Daily Clean Refresh cleaner for brushes. I love this stuff. I always use it. When you just like are in between, because it dries instantly. So like you didn't wash your brushes like you're supposed to. Like if you don't wash your brushes all the time, aka Brittany, then you can just spray this on it, wipe it on the towel, and it's good to go. Y'all, I gotta sneeze. Wait, hold on. Okay, it's not coming. Okay, I ordered a Hula Bronzer because I've never tried these, and they're like a cult classic. I did get the shade. I don't know. Okay, here we go. How do you figure? Okay, this is what it looks like on the inside, you guys. And then the little brush falls out. It's just the classic Hula Bronzer that you see all over everywhere, but I've never had one. Hula by Benefit. What shade did I get? I don't know what shade I got. It should be on here somewhere. This is Deep Outer Bronzer for bright face. It don't smell like anything. I'll put it in the screen. You'll be able to see what shade I got. But yeah, I got that because I've always wanted it. But girl, I ain't spending no $35 on a bronzer. So I got that because it was on sale. I also got the Guinea Brow by Benefit. I love this. I use this on my brows every day. I use the same shades, the darkest shades. It just gives you like a little bit of fluff. Whether you're using a pomade or a pencil, it just gives you some fluff. Everyone loves this. If you guys don't know what this is, you don't know what it looks like, it's normally $24, so that's kind of expensive for a brow product. So this is what it looks like, you guys. This is what it looks like. And you take it out. It has a wand, and you fluff up your brows. Check, just boom, boom, boom. Like, well, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I don't want to mess it up. But I got this as well because it was $24 normally. So I love to get that on sale since it's something I use every day and I run out a lot. Next up, what is this? Oh, so this new Fenty Easy Drop stuff. So I just got this just because I'm going to be doing a week of foundations. I'm going to post a video every day testing out 7 new foundations. I got the shade 19. Yo, I don't even have the Fenty Pro Filter. I had it, but I gave it to my sister. I don't like any of Fenty's foundations, like, period. They're not for me. They're medium coverage typically, and I like a more full coverage. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a full review on this. I know you guys have probably seen a ton by now, but it's a skin tint versus a foundation. So we'll see if I like that any better than their foundations. Coming right on up, another foundation I've been waiting to get, but I don't spend $40 on foundation. Well, I do sometimes, like, because I have the other one, the Radiant and the long wear one by NARS. I wear the color Cadiz. It is my favorite foundation, but day to day, I wear my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in Mahogany. That's what I have on right now. That's what I have on most of the time, unless I'm going somewhere like fancy or I just want to feel expensive. But this is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. Again, I got the shade Cadiz. I'm not that much of a fan of this packaging. I mean, you can feel the letters, so that's kind of nice. I'll also be doing like a wear test and a full review on this one as well. So look out for that. I don't like this packaging. I love the box though. It's texture, which all of their boxes are texture. I think I have another box right here. That's neither here nor there, y'all. I'm all over the place on this good whatever day this is. Next up out of the box, I have another Fenty by Rihanna. This one is a Juicy Satin Lipstick. It's in the shade Popsicle. It's supposed to be, yeah, I'm trying to get more colored stuff. So it's supposed to be this blue color. Oh, the name of it is called Go Deep. Ooh, Go Deep. Okay, innuendo. Okay. So it's giving us sexy vibes. And I just love the packaging. Come on, Rihanna. How cute is this? Yeah, I don't like Rihanna's music, but I do like her lipsticks because they're cute. Look, and it's like this deep blue shade. The same as the outside of the packaging. Okay, so that's cute. Stuff that's expensive that you just want, you gotta wait till it's a sale, girl. And last, oh no, not last but not least. Oh, this is small. Okay. I got this Sephora Lip Liner. I don't know what shade. It's supposed to be this brown shade. Only because I've never tried any other lip liner, so I thought I would try it. It's this brown shade here. This is like $2, so that's why I got it. And this, I've been waiting for this, you guys. I'm not rich, so I don't buy palettes that cost $130. But I splurged on this Natasha Denona palette. Yes. And Circo Loco. Normally, I don't really care that much about, like, I wouldn't normally don't care that much about her palettes to spend $100 on a palette. $120, whatever it is. $129 plus tax. But this one, I love it. I had just been eyeing it since it came out last month. I love the packaging. I love the color story. Bitch, what? I mean, I'm not calling y'all a bitch, but that was my excitement talking. But what? I can't wait to slay this. Full review coming on this soon. And I love it. Ah! Wait, I got to put my little film back in there. I haven't even used it yet. Yeah. I love it. Next, I'm gonna have to invest in a Pat McGrath palette. I really want one, but again, that's one that's like $130. But I really want one, so eventually I'll get one so I can add to my little collection over here. But yeah, that's what I got from Sephora. Again, I got 25% off. If you have time after you see this video to go tomorrow, then go get you some Sis Girl on sale. Maybe you had some things waiting like me that you had wanted to buy, but you didn't want to spend $30, $40 on it. Some high-end products that you want to get a little bit of a sale on. Go ahead, check them out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me down below what items you want to get. Wish you could get what items you did get. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Brittany, why are you so clumsy, girl? Shoot, child. Y'all still there, but I'm about to end this video.